Welcome to Fly Vision. I'm Johnny Utah. Let's tie a fly. Leave a space at the hook eye. This is where the wings will be placed. Wrap back to barb. Select the rooster neck feather and pull back the hackle tips, like so. Pinch a half dozen fibers off, like so. Check the length of the tail to ensure it matches the full length of the hook shank. Transfer hands. This fly is deadly. Tie and tail at barb, pinch and loop. Wrap around, lift tail, and secure with two on top. I call this my Oddball Olive. It works like magic. Trout love it. Let's continue tying it up. Trim butts 2/2 point here. Catskill style is all about proportions. Tie down loose ends. Touching turns. 2 hen neck hackles. Be sure they match in size. Lay them atop one another opposite to have the feather flare away from each other. Ensure tips are aligned. Measure wings, full shank length. Switch hands, be sure to keep hackle pinched tight. Pinch tips, stroke fibers back, make a tie-in point. Pinch tightly and pinch and loop. Be sure to pull tightly. Secure with anchor wraps. Trim butts on angle. Tie down cut ends. Pull wings back. Check the length. Length looks good. Pinch tightly and wrap back to post the wings. Use finger and thumb and rub the wings. It helps to set them better. Peacock hurl, trout love it. Select one hurl, tie it in. Select a grizzly rooster neck feather. Check hackle length by wrapping hackle around hook. 1.5 hooks gaps length is ideal. This one is good. Stroke fibers back. Snip off but trim fibers on both sides. This makes sure thread gets a good grip when tying in. Tie in with good side facing out. Wrap hurl, figure 8 wings. Tie off hurl. Use the least amount of wraps possible. Do one on hurl, pull back and put one on shank. Snip the hurl. Wrap hackle touching turns. 2 behind and 2 in front. Take your time. Catskill style is an art. Art takes time. Pinch the hackle wraps. I don't use hackle pliers. Just pinch and grab feather. It's easy. Tie off hackle. 1 tight wrap. Pull everything back. Tidy up head area. Trim hackle but almost finished. This flyaways does well for me in many blue wing olive hatches. Whip finish. Hand whip is easy. I have a few hand whip tutorials. Click the card up top to learn how. Always tighten your whip. Trim the thread. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment. That's my Oddball Olive. Like I said before, it's deadly.